Good morning, grade 9. This is lesson number 6 of chemistry and chapter structure of molecules. The topic is covalent bond and it's given on page number 98 and 99. First of all, introduction of covalent bond. We have learned that molecules of elements are made up of same kind of atoms. An example is a molecule of hydrogen made up of two hydrogen atoms and its formula is H2. How are the two hydrogen atoms joined or bonded? Similarly, the two atoms are identical. We do not expect one of them to transfer its electron to the other. Instead of transferring the electrons, the two atoms form bonds by sharing of electrons. So it's about the molecule of hydrogen H2 in its gaseous form that the two atoms produce the hydrogen molecule, but how? How they are bonded? As both are same, they cannot transfer the electron. Both are having just one electron, so how can they transfer it to the other? That's why instead of transferring the electrons, they actually share that electrons. Generally speaking, covalent bonds are formed between the two non-metals elements by sharing of electrons. So covalent bond is between the non-metals, and this is unlike the ionic bond that was between the metal and the non-metal. For the ionic bond, one should be metal and the other should be a non-metal, but here in the covalent bond, both the atoms should be the non-metals. What is covalent bond? Gilbert Newton Lewis proposed that two atoms could attain stable electronic configuration by sharing electrons between them. The shared pair of electrons is represented by a dash line, means a line between the two bonded atoms. The shared pair of electron remains between the two bonded atoms and are called the localized electrons. Means that electrons will be localized between the two atoms. That will be not anymore for a single atom but will be considered for both of them. The bond which is formed by mutual sharing of electrons is called a covalent bond. For example, hydrogen molecule, the bond between two hydrogen atoms. In oxygen molecule, the bond between two oxygen atoms. And hydrochloric acid HCl, the bond between hydrogen and Cl, between hydrogen and chlorine. Okay, the dash line, so here one electron in hydrogen atom, so there will be a single dash line means they will share one pair. One from each side will make a pair, so that will be a single line that can be shown with a single line. Oxygen outer shell 6 electrons, so means both oxygen atoms have to share two electrons, so the resultant pair will be two pairs, two from each side, so total 4 electrons means two pairs, so two dash lines will be here. And here chlorine need one and hydrogen have outer one, so they will again share one and one dash line will be in between them. Okay, now this is the covalent bond in hydrogen molecule. So this is a single hydrogen molecule with one electron and a single hydrogen atom with one electron and another hydrogen atom with one electron. Together they will form a hydrogen molecule by sharing that one electron, forming a single pair जो कि दोनों का ही outer shell complete कर लेगा, stable हो जाएंगे दोनों. So by sharing their electrons, their electronic configuration will complete. They will complete their outer shell by doing so. Now this is the covalent bond in water and methane gas. So oxygen outer 6 electron need 2 electrons in its outer shell. Hydrogen with one electron, they need 1 electron. So oxygen will share its 1 electron with hydrogen and the other one with another hydrogen. So यहाँ पर इसके पास 2 की जो डेफिशिएंसी थी वो 2 हाइड्रोजन दूर कर देगा और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्सीजन की तरफ से जो शेयर हुआ है हाइड्रोजन के साथ, वो हाइड्रोजन की डेफिशिएंसी को दूर कर देगा, उसकी कमी को पूरा कर देगा. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्म. and this is now methane, CH4. You are already familiar with this. The single carbon atomic number is 6, so 2 electrons in inner shell and 4 in outer, means carbon need 4 electrons, but it cannot lose or gain. So 4 atoms of hydrogen are here to complete its outer shell by sharing their 1 electron. As a result, hydrogen will complete its outer shell with 2 electrons and carbon will complete its outer shell with 8 electrons by mutual sharing. Is it clear? Now this is your homework. Example 4.1 is draw an electron dot and cross diagram for HCl. Label the single bond and the lone pairs. Solution means you have to draw a diagram of HCl molecule in which you have to either put dots or cross to show the electrons. So the pair electrons which are not bonded are called lone pair of electrons, means they are not bonded, while the bonded electrons are here. So this cross is showing the electron of hydrogen and these dots are showing the electrons of chlorine. The bonded one is here, so this is the bond pair, and this one and this one, these are the dots. The 2 electrons means a single pair. So how many pairs? 3 pairs, and we call them lone pairs, means they are not bonded. So you have to do the same thing and you have to practice problem 4.1. Draw an electron dot and cross diagram for water. Label the single bond and the lone pairs. Is it clear? You have to know about the atomic number of oxygen. Then you have to make dots and also of hydrogen by making cross, and then you have to show the bonded electrons and the lone pairs. Okay class? Thank you.